How to check who views my Facebook profile. So if you want to know who have viewed your Facebook profile, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's jump into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore your various feeds and reels over here. In the first step, tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And here are all of your shortcuts. You just have to scroll down and go for help and support and go for help center. We are here for finding the steps to see who have viewed your Facebook profile. So just tap in the search bar and search for who viewed my Facebook profile. Right after typing who, you can see here is who viewed my profile option available. You just can tap over there. And if you open up to this section, here is who views your Facebook profile. Simply tap over there. And it said that Facebook doesn't let people track who views their profile. Third-party apps also can provide theirs functionally. If you come across an app that claims to offer this ability, please report the app. Facebook itself is telling that the update or the feature for having the ability to check who have viewed your profile has not updated yet. So the third-party apps also won't be able to find out that. But if any third-party application is offering you that you'll be able to view who viewed your Facebook profile, then you just can report the app. So the fact is, you won't be able to know who viewed your Facebook profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.